Are you jobless regardless of the degree? Are you stressed about your future? Or are you thinking that how to face the society with a jobless status?
Earning the money is actually the basic purpose to support our parents, to support ourselves. You have reached the right platform. Welcome to my channel, 3D Video Gaming World. And make sure to subscribe first before get started. Thank you.
Alright, guys, if you really want to get a job to support your family, yourselves, for that you must have some basic skills to adopt. First skill is the communication skills, the way you talk with others. Second is the technical skills or the mental capabilities, but make sure that there must be a balance between these two. So let's talk about that how to improve the communication skills first. Be a social person, talk with your friends and professionals in your surroundings, have discussions on different topics, share your opinion to eliminate the shyness factor. In this way, you will gain the confidence. So, if you are good at speaking, listening, and expressing yourself in front of others, you are a good communicator, in short. So, keep it up and good luck for building up the communication skills. Second major skill is technical skill that is related to your field knowledge, maybe mathematics, calculations, science or technology. For example, if you are a software engineer and you are thinking that what to do next and you are thinking that which skills to adopt, you can go for web development, Android development, or you can create your own content, become a content creator. Now you are able to apply for a job regarding to your skills, so just go for it. Oops, if you still not get a job, don't worry. Create an account on Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer sites. These sites allow you to earn money remotely. So good luck, keep smiling, don't be stressed. Like this video, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.